For the best price, click the link in the description. Have you been struggling to find a reliable and efficient steam iron that can tackle even the toughest wrinkles? Are you tired of using cumbersome irons that take up too much space on your countertop? Well, today I'll be reviewing the Morphy Richards Intellisteam, which promises to revolutionize the way we think about steaming clothes. But here's what surprised me when I started using it. Its impressive features and sleek design had me hooked from the very beginning. Therefore, let's dive deeper into this product and see if it really lives up to its expectations. The Morphy Richards Intellisteam is a multifunctional steam iron that not only irons clothes but also helps remove wrinkles from curtains, upholstery, and even shoes. Its advanced technology allows for precise temperature control, which means you can use it on delicate fabrics without worrying about damaging them. This feature alone makes it a worthwhile investment for anyone who wants to save time and effort in their daily laundry routine. However, some users have reported that the iron takes a bit of getting used to, especially when it comes to adjusting the temperature settings. Therefore, I'll be sharing my own experience with this product and providing tips on how to get the most out of its features. But before we dive into the nitty-gritty details, let's take a look at some of the key features that set the Morphy Richards Intellisteam apart from other steam irons on the market. Advanced temperature control system. Multifunctional design for ironing and steaming clothes, curtains, upholstery, and shoes. Sleek and compact design with a 3.5-meter cord. Detachable water tank for easy refilling. Easy-to-use interface with LED display. Therefore, let's get back to my experience with this product. After using the Morphy Richards Intellisteam for several weeks, I was impressed by its performance and ease of use. The iron glided smoothly over even the most stubborn wrinkles, leaving clothes looking crisp and fresh. However, one thing that took some getting used to was the temperature settings. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of using a new product and forget about the importance of adjusting the temperature for delicate fabrics. Therefore, I recommend taking your time to get familiar with the iron's controls before diving headfirst into steaming your clothes. But don't just take my word for it, let's take a look at what other users have to say about this product. I was skeptical about spending so much money on a steam iron, but I'm glad I made the investment. It's been a game changer for me. Emily R**, I've tried several steam irons in the past, but this one is by far the most efficient and easy to use. David K. Therefore, if you're still on the fence about buying the Morphy Richards Intellisteam, I hope these testimonials have given you a better idea of what to expect. In my next section, we'll be discussing some tips and tricks for getting the most out of this product's features. But before we move on, let me ask you, are you willing to spend a bit extra money on a steam iron that can make your life easier? Or will you stick with your old iron and continue to struggle with wrinkles? Let's get back to our review. After using the Morphy Richards Intellisteam for several weeks, I've come up with some valuable tips and tricks that'll help you maximize its potential. Use a microfiber cloth to clean the iron's sole plate for optimal performance. Adjust the temperature settings accordingly for delicate fabrics. Use the steam function to remove wrinkles from curtains and upholstery. Detach the water tank regularly to prevent mineral buildup. Therefore, I hope these tips have been helpful in giving you a better understanding of how to use this product effectively. In our final section, we'll be discussing whether or not the Morphy Richards Intellisteam is worth the extra money. But before we wrap up, let me ask you, do you think the features and benefits of the Morphy Richards Intellisteam outweigh its high price tag? Or will you stick with your old steam iron and continue to struggle with wrinkles? In conclusion, after thoroughly testing and reviewing the Morphy Richards Intellisteam, I can confidently say that it's a worthwhile investment for anyone who wants to save time and effort in their daily laundry routine. While it may be pricier than other steam irons on the market, its advanced features and sleek design make it a game changer for anyone who values convenience and ease of use. Therefore, if you're still interested in buying this product, I recommend clicking the link in the description below to get the best price. Trust me, your clothes and your sanity will thank you. For the best price, click the link in the description.